The CP05 features a powerful, quick access tool called the floating tool, designed to keep essential functions at your fingertips during meetings and presentations. It's called a floating tool because I can float the icon or move it wherever I need it to be on the board. To access the settings for the tool, simply open it, tap the hand icon. Here you'll see a variety of settings. Always on will turn the tool on or off. You'll notice when I turn this always on off, I have an X. When it's on, there's a pin. When it's off, I press the X, the floating tool goes away. To bring it back, I simply two-finger press on the board and the floating tool will reappear. Other settings I can change allow me to auto-minimize the tool as it's being used. I have options to change the background color of the tool. I can even add a custom color if I so choose. Let's go back to our original color, and I can change the transparency of the background as well. When I'm done with my settings, I simply tap the hand icon again, and they'll go away. Now let's explore some of the available tools. Move my floating tool where I want it, tap it to open it, and now I have my pen. I can simply use my pen to draw or annotate over my presentation. Tapping the pen again will give me options to change the thickness of the line or the colors. I can also add a custom color. To use the highlighter, simply tap it, and now I can highlight text on my screen. With the eraser, I can set it to just simply erase like the back of my pencil. I can also set it to use strike through and just strike through a line, or I can set the all and clear everything on my screen. To gain control of my presentation, tap the hand icon, and now I can switch slides. I also have a laser pointer, which will allow me to draw your focus and attention to a specific part of the screen. The next option is the toolbox. Tap it to open it, and you'll see a variety of utilities available for use. In particular, a calculator, a unit converter, or our spotlight tool. To use any tool, simply tap it to open it, and then close it when you're done. Next, you'll see an AI button, which provides quick access to several built-in AI features. These are explored in greater detail in our dedicated AI features video. Finally, tap the camera icon to access the record, screenshot, and freeze features. Record lets you capture both audio and video, perfect for presentations, training sessions, and important meetings. Screenshot allows you to capture a specific area or the entire display. Then save it directly to the whiteboard for further discussions. Freeze screen locks the display on the current frame. This is perfect for capturing specific video details or keeping a slide visible while you handle other tasks privately on your laptop. That's it. With the floating tool, essential controls are always within reach, whether you're presenting, annotating, or leading a discussion. If you want to learn more about the BenQ CP05, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.